Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Okay, so let's drop altitude and cut the motors for just a second. Now, DJI, the name, the myth, the flying legend. In the US, we have a 5-month countdown until, poof, gone. Possibly banned, offline, toasted, ghosted. Sayonara, guys. I'm not here to sell you a tinfoil hat, but buckle in, because what's happening behind the scenes right now in the drone world is the kind of stuff you'd expect from a Netflix geopolitical thriller. So, DJI's US presence is literally hanging by a thread. Why? Well, national security concerns. I'm not buying it. Closed online stores, vanishing stock, and somebody in the suit asking whether or not your Mavic 3 is secretly a spy. So here's what actually happened. So 90% of DJI's US store has pretty much gone offline, sans maybe a battery or an Osmo hand grip. But as far as drones, nada. Now, this wasn't a global meltdown because Europe, Portugal, France, Germany, well, DJI is still shipping like Amazon Prime over there. The US though, it's a dead zone. It's like being told the buffet is open, but when you get there, all that's left is a plate of soggy lettuce. So DJI has 5 months to prove that they're not a threat to US national security. And if the government stays silent, well, DJI gets banned by default. Now you think they're gonna tell DJI what they found, if anything? Yeah, right. That's like asking Netflix to explain why they canceled your favorite show mid-season. Ain't gonna happen. At this point, we're all in limbo. All we can do is stock up where we can, explore domestic gear, which is what I think this is all about anyway, or DIY and adapt. So, 5 months. That's what we got before we find out if DJI survives in the US. I don't know, man. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you concerned? Do you care? Or will this cripple your drone business? I want to hear your thoughts. Remember to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab my Lightroom presets pack, as well as my upcoming photo print collection. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll catch you later. I'll see you flying your drone. I got the Karen app. I'm coming for you. No, I'm not. I'll see you later.